Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So if you have the GoPro Hero 7 Black, I definitely recommend you pick up some accessories for it because you'll get the most out of your investment. This is my GoPro shorty stick that I purchased right when I first got the device. And this has been very useful, especially for shooting videos right here on my desk. And I just took the door off, the trap door off, and just so I can get to it quickly. But this is the Adventure Kit. Now I recommend that you grab a kit from one of these kits from GoPro if you can. I ordered this directly from GoPro. I did like a survey or something like that, and they gave me a discount on it. But if you're a Plus member, you get 20% off regardless. So this is the kit. Let's see how we can get this out. There we go. So in here, right here, the kit itself, you get a bag, and in the bag, you get the goodies. So the reason I got this was predominantly for the head strap. The head strap is something that gives you point of view, and that's something that I wanted when using the GoPro. So if I'm at a car show or something like that, I can use the point of view head strap. So ready for this, and I'll give you a point of view video here in just a clip in just a second here. But it's got a grip all along the insides and comfort. This should be pretty nice, and this is just all around nice looking head strap, to be honest. I'll adjust it to fit my head, but your GoPro goes right here. That's one thing you get, and then you get this right here. This is for clipping it on belts, and this is also for clipping it on hats, anything like that. That's where you would clip your GoPro for this. And this last one here, and obviously you get another brace here for the head too. You get this last one. Here's another adapter there. This last one here, you get, this is the grip portion. This is one of those ones where you slide that other portion on from your GoPro, and you handheld it. This is a very comfortable grip, by the way. So I'm gonna grab my my other clip from one of my other GoPros and slide it in there and just leave it in there. But that's what you get in this kit right here. This is the Adventure Kit, and I'm pretty excited about that. The head clip is really nice. I didn't know it was going to be this nice. It's got like this padding and everything on there. Then it's got the actual little grips in the inside. But let me get you a shot of this portion right here with the point of view, and then I'll close out this video. All right, guys, so I've got it mounted up right now, and I got the head mount on. So this is I put one of my other cameras on this right here so you can see it. This is what it's gonna look like with this type of grip. So this is a really comfortable grip. I was gonna buy this separately, but I opted not to. So this is what this grip looks like. And then obviously this is very simple to clip onto a hat. Now remember, I've got the GoPro kind of mounted facing down and not so much point of view, but this is my point of view. I guess I got it pointing in the right view because this is my point of view looking right here. So this is gonna be really nice, man. If I want to do some videos, I could definitely strap this up or put it in the car or whatever, and I can just continuously give you point of view. I'm more concerned about what is the audio gonna sound like from on top of my head. So the microphones on here are supposed to be really, really good. So we should see how that works out. But I just wanted to give you a quick look at this used to be one of my favorite cameras, by the way. I still like it, but it doesn't measure up to the GoPro at all. Yeah, point of view. You see me taking a sip. Yep, and back at it. So it's man Jay Will, man, GoPro Adventure Kit. I think this is definitely the way you should go if you get a GoPro. And this kit is available. It'll work with every GoPro. It's all GoPros. So after I get this thing figured out and how I'm going to use it, definitely going to use this for point of view. But the rest of these things, I probably won't use them. Might use this one for a different camera, like use this camera with it. But we shall see. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. The GoPro Adventure Kit is boss. Take care. Thumbs up.